You felt it everywhere from Cape May to Manahawkin, Woodbine to North Wildwood. And all of you from Facebook to Twitter and all over social media are wondering what was that rumble through South Jersey this afternoon. Cape May County Emergency Management tells Fox 29 the South Jersey shaking was centered in Wildwood.
But tonight, we still don't know exactly what caused it. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Carrie Barrett.
It's quite the mystery. I'm Thomas Drayton. Good to have you with us. Right now, the military and the USGS aren't helping to explain it either. Fox 29 Shawnette Wilson live tonight in Woodbine. People there kind of freaked out, aren't they?
Yeah, can you imagine? A lot of people are. Now, the good news is that there have been no reports of any injuries or damage, but it is still unnerving to people who were caught off guard by it.
I froze. I thought it was another earthquake.
What Kathy Glover felt sitting in the living room of her Woodbine mobile home Tuesday afternoon really scared her.
I felt this really significant rumble under my feet, and I just sat there and things started to shake.
A heavy vibration came in two waves, the first lasting about 5 seconds, then soon after another quick one. Quick but powerful, enough to shift things around in the kitchen.
And it just felt like it was more underground. And then when I looked up, I had, saw that the things up on that shelf had moved.
She looked outside around her home, worried a propane tank may have exploded, but everything was fine. Whatever caused the shakeup has Kathy concerned.
We're on blocks here. We don't have a basement or anything. And then with the terrible story I heard about the sinkholes, that's another thing that runs through your mind.
She's talking about a sinkhole, rumors of an earthquake, a sonic boom flooded social media when this happened. None of that confirmed. In fact, no word on what caused this. Reporting live in Woodbine, New Jersey, Shawnette Wilson, Fox 29 News.
Well, I can tell you this, people are talking about it, Shawnette. In fact, our Fox 29 Facebook fans felt the shaking all over. Jamie said she felt it in Wildwood Crest. Chantel said she felt it twice in Galloway. Judy heard the boom in Malaga, but no shaking. And Julie said she felt it in Linwood, New Jersey.
What the fuck is that? Holy shit.
Well, we've been trying to get answers all day about what exactly this was, but so far, no one seems to know. You can see the windows vibrating in this surveillance video from Roger Wilco Liquor on Wellington Avenue in Ventnor, then the stunned reaction of employees inside. This happened shortly after 3 Tuesday afternoon, and people throughout Atlantic, Cape May, and Cumberland counties say they felt it. Now, the Shore region was shaken last Wednesday by a similar incident, which was also recorded at the liquor store and remains a mystery as well. We checked with the U.S. Geological Survey. They say there haven't been any earthquakes here. The military tells us they weren't doing any exercises in the area either. Luckily, we haven't gotten any reports of damage or injuries. Some folks started calling the police when they felt the ground shaking. Others went right to Facebook. We're working on that part of the story for 5 o'clock. In Ventnor, I'm Ted Greenberg, NBC 10 News.